Another Leapster video, huh? So, I was cleaning out a cabinet, and I found this corpse of a Leapster that... so it's a little bit of backstory. This one, I showed it in another video. This console here, when I got it, the touchscreen was a bit weird. But it also wasn't the only one I had. I also had this unit here in pieces, in a bag, because this is the one I bought first. And it bricked itself. I just tried to turn it on one day, and it was dead. Completely dead. No signs of life. It just never turned on again. And I don't know why. So I ordered this at a slightly higher price than I feel like I should have, because another YouTuber did a video on a... I think it was like a running RetroArch on this thing or something. So people are selling them for slightly higher than they should be. But I wanted a working one, so I bought this. And when I got it, the touchscreen was being weird. Near like the middle, like around here or so, it just wasn't activating presses. If I pressed it and held it, it would activate, but that's not really useful. And I realized I have this console here, and I had already tried taking it apart to see if I could fix it, and it looked like the screen was on a ribbon cable, and like I could take it out and swap it if I needed to. So I took it out and swapped it. And I never got around to putting this one back together because, you know, it's dead. So that's what we're going to do today. Don't know how easy this is going to be to film, but, you know. Pain. Suffering. Those were screws. I'm not sure how easy this is going to be to film while I'm working on this. I remember with the other console, getting the screen in was a little bit annoying. Good thing is this console is toast. I have no idea if, you know, it's obvious. I'm just not noticing, but, you know, it is dead. So, that's nice. Let's move the working one. What was this piece? I can't remember what this was. Nice. Should probably wait to put that in there. It's been a while since I've taken one of these apart. How's this going? Okay. It's been a while since I've had to do this, so... Okay. Alright. This may not be the right way to do it. I can't remember. This thing is toast, so I mean, not too upset about, like, you know, not too concerned about breaking something, because this thing's already dead. This thing is already cooked, but, you know. I think the screws are supposed to go in there. Are there? Okay. Okay, I don't think this is how I'm supposed to do it. I don't really care if I break this thing further, it's already cooked. I don't think that's in all the way. Now it's not in at all. Okay, that's good enough. I am missing a button. Oh dear. There it is. There it is. Sick. This, I think, is the hardest bit. Getting this screen to line up with that rubber gasket, I guess? I don't fucking know. Well then. Good thing this is already broken. Normally would be way more careful, but as I said, thing's already broken. So, nice. I think it's in. I don't know. Is it? Maybe. Damn it. There's a screw in there now. Nice. There we go. That is not magnetic. Okay. Something's not lining up correctly. This side's working, what? Oh, okay. Fun. Enter tweezers. I don't want to take this all the way apart again. Probably gonna have to. I have to. Hey, nice. Nice. I still can't remember what this is. Look at this. It'd be nice if my screwdriver didn't suck. I could actually, you know, use these magnetically. But, you know, it is what it is. What is this? I think I know what these were. They were just like grounding bits. We don't need them. This thing's already broken. So I've only got 2 of these, and I'm supposed to have 4. That's concerning. We only use the 2 then. Also, yeah, I realize the shoulder button isn't in there. I'll put that in and hopefully not need to take apart again. Forgot my screwdriver sucks. Okay, I'm just gonna do it here because that is easier. Sick. I don't think these have the clips sanded down. I was gonna test it just to prove that it's dead, but, you know, I'll do that before I put these on. Because, yeah, there's a design issue with these where it's designed so if a kid drops it, the battery covers don't pop off. They don't come off even if you're trying to take them off. It's bad. And you have to like sand it down a little bit. I did that to my actual Leapster, that I don't really ever use, by the way. I don't really ever use this thing, in all honesty, but, you know, neat little collector's piece. Neat little rabbit hole to dive into in terms of like console libraries and, you know, game collecting, but not really a console I ever really use. I just think it's neat. Okay, so all the buttons should be pressing, seem to be pressing, so I'm gonna button this up, and then watch as it still doesn't work, because this thing is probably not repairable. I'm guessing. I don't know, maybe it is. Maybe it is and I'm just a dumbass. I don't know. But it's also a Leapster, so I mean, didn't really want to put that kind of effort into fixing it. I don't know. That's just me. Unless it's like something that I know how to fix, like, you know, swapping the screen from another unit. I mean, that's a low effort fix, and one that I was willing to undertake. It not turning on, and I have no idea why. And yes, I had batteries in it. Yeah. The batteries worked in other things, like, I don't know, maybe I'll just put the batteries in, because I was going to take them from the other unit, just plop them in, maybe they'll work. I don't know. Who knows? So, there we go. I did try it off wall power. Well, I don't think I had a power supply that like plugged in correctly. It didn't seem to go in all the way. It was like the right voltage, right polarity, and everything. It just didn't seem to work either. So I do think this thing is just dead. Let's test that. The batteries from this. Yeah, I modded the, as I mentioned, I modded battery covers. So just pop off firmly, but easily. Some non-rechargeable lithium batteries. Because, well, frankly, I'm convinced the, rechargeables I was using is what killed it. But again, my camera stopped recording on its own. No idea why. Okay. If this thing turns on, I'm gonna lose it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh my god.
Choose a profile to sign in with by tapping it, or create a new profile by tapping on an empty profile slot. To play as a guest, tap on the word guest.
Oh my god. Okay. What the fuck?
Now to set up your Leapster GS.
No. No, thank you. Is this thing just working? Battery popped out. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna go get a game. Because I remember when I tried it and I thought it died, I had put in a game and then it wouldn't boot. But I also thought that would be really weird if a game killed it, especially since I tried it in this nugget over here and it was fine. So, oh my god. Maybe I had just put the batteries in the wrong way, because I was looking at it and it goes in like a different way from everything else, but I had it working before that. And I had like taken out the... Oh. Okay. I mean, we take those, but... Okay. I'll be back. Well, I mean, it's gonna be a jump cut, but I'll be back. The realist of gaming. Could have done the MLP one, but kind of felt like doing the other one. I only have the 2 games in my collection, by the way. I've not actually bought more since the last video on this, but yeah. Is that where the button is? Yeah, okay. I'm amazed this thing works. it had been sitting in that bag for, I think since like March. I think since like March or April. Also, my camera's showing low battery. Nice. I'm gonna wrap this up. No, do not connect. Yeah. Yeah. Like everything's fine. It's taking, it took a long time to load, and my camera is running out of battery.
Doc McStuffins.
Yep. Yeah, everything's fine.
Doc is in.
Content match. Just to prove I wasn't BSing, because I forgot to turn on the other one before I took the batteries out. Put them back in here. Hope my camera doesn't run out of battery, because that would be annoying. I don't have a spare one yet. See? Just to prove that I wasn't, like, doing something, like, shenanigans or something. Not that I would be, but, I mean, you know. Yeah, no idea why this one works. Absolutely no idea. This one is, I had deemed that thing dead a long time ago. I think the battery popped out, because I don't have a battery cover on it, but, yeah, that is, I'll label that a win. So, I guess that wraps things up. I'd call that a win.